นะโมพุทธัสสะนะโมธัมมัสสะนะโมสังคัสสะ I would like to pay homage to Jipo James, the Buddha, the Dhamma, the Sangha. Pay respect to all venerable monks. Pay respect to พระมหาดำพรหมสาร พระอาจารย์วิสัชนา Good evening, everyone. Welcome to joining us the live stream tonight. Today we have a special guys to join us today. So first, I would like to invite Venerable Mahadam to speak something first. Not available now. Today, special day, everyone. We have a lot of things to share to you. Jamahadam have a lot of things to talk to you about the celebration last time we joined, and next time and now what happening in Lao Temple somewhere. Yeah. Okay. I would like to invite Jamahadam to say something.
Namo Buddhaya, Namo Dhammaya, Namo Sanghaya. Pay respect to Prajan Mahakamani and Prajan Visassana. Today we have time to Dhamma talk. Today is very good, and today is special. We have the new venerable Ajahn Prajan Visassana to join Dhamma talk today. And I asked Ajahn Mahakamani to stay, but he have something to do in his temple because he is the abbot of the temple, and that's why he left me and Bulong to stay in his temple. And now Ajahn Mahakamani, I asked for his abbot, and his abbot is Nyathan Thongwan. He is the Vice President of Lao American Buddhist Monk Council, and he allowed Ajahn Visassana to stay with me. And can you introduce yourself, Ajahn Visassana?
Respect to Tibetan, there are Buddha, Dhamma, and Sangha. Respect to Ajahn Mahakamani and Ajahn Mahadam.
Okay.
I was born in Laos, the north of Laos, Udomsai province. When I was born in countryside, a lot of buffalo. When I chill, I read a buffalo. So one day, I see old monk. Why is he so happy to living in the temple? Oh, so I have been temple for to see him how to live, the way of life. And then I saw this very peaceful and mindfulness, compassion. Oh, so one day I would like to become a monk. And then I become a novice when I was 10 years. And then I continue my education in Luang Prabang province until I have done the high school, Buddhist high school. And then I came to Chiang Mai, the north of Thailand, for continue my education in MCU, Mahachulalongkorn. I lived there 8 years, and I have done Master Reiki, Buddhist philosophy major.
Oh, wow.
And I live in Bangkok 2 years.
Mm.
And between I living in Bangkok, I have a training Tamatutta in MCU Center, Mahachulalongkorn.
Mm.
And then there is my good friend. I came here to United States in 2019 before COVID-19. So I'm so happy to see Ajahn Mahakamani and Ajahn Mahadam. I'm so happy. And thank you so much for inviting me today for join with you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
First of thing, I would like to say your English is very well. I never heard your English before. Yeah, Ajahn Visachana, he is a young monk and very friendly monk to meet. First I meet you, or first you meet me. Where is it? Visachana.
This long time our first time to meet. I thought that Lao Buddhist monk meeting somewhere because we join a lot to meeting together. So, what is your birthday?
You know me before, or when you know me?
In Massachusetts State, in your temple.
Oh, yeah.
My first time. And I'm so surprised your birthday is really close me, you know. You order me one more day.
Oh, really?
Yeah, one
One
more.
day?
Yeah, 1 day.
1 day?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. So somebody when see us, we call that twin monks.
Twin monks.
Oh,
Emily order me 1 day.
You're exciting about the birthday. Same day. Not the same day, just lose 1 day. Yeah, but every number is same. Your birthday is 8, right? My birthday is 7.
November.
But talk about the birthday now.
Same years?
Same year, same month.
Wow.
But different phase.
November after Buddhist with Buddhist rain retreat.
Yeah.
Right? After ออกพรรษา
Yes.
Yeah. Buddhist land on in October, but in November we have Kathina celebration ceremony. That is big festival. So in Lao culture, we have a big festival, Lao New Year, and Kathina. Yeah, and special there is Maka Bucha, Visak Day, something like that. That is important for Buddhists.
Okay.
Okay, I would say another thing about you, Ajahn Visachana. Ajahn Visachana is very helpful for Venerable Thongwan, who is about the Buddha Metta Temple in Maryland. Ajahn Visachana, he very good helper, and he's very good helper. All venerable monks who ask for help with him. Yeah, that's why I asked Ajahn Visachana to help Ajahn Mahadam, and I asked from Ajahn Thongwan, who is his airborne, Lao Putta Metta. Yeah. I asked him first, and I asked Ajahn the airborne later. Ajahn Thongwan said, up to him. But, is he born? I am okay. Yeah, because I think he helped Ajahn Thongwan at school. Yeah, that's why. How long you will stay with Ajahn Mahadam, Ajahn Visassana? Do you have some?
Probably, yeah, before Buddhist land, I
Before
hope.
Buddhist, then you will back to your temple.
Yes.
Before Buddhist land.
เข้าพรรษา after
Maybe you can stay in the Buddhist land here.
Yeah, and my about it, he is very kindness, compassion. He good manager, and that is my idol. พระอาจารย์ทองวันดาลาวงศ์ He is about Lao temple. We call that Wat Lao Buddha Metta. There is only one temple, a Lao temple in Maryland, but a lot of different temple from Thailand, Cambodia, Korea, something like that. We always join together for to sharing Dhamma. And Ajahn Thongwan, that is my idol because I help all the monk, young monk, old monk, with something I learned from him. So about in Buddhism or Buddhist monk, that is we help each other all the time. Yeah, that is I'm so happy to come here for to take care Ajahn Mahadam.
And you're so happy to be part of the Ajahn Thongwan temple, right?
Yeah.
Not only you to say like that. Me too. I really like Ajahn Thongwan. He is very kind, and he is very compassionate. Yeah. That's why you will back to your temple for help him in the Buddhist lane, right? Buddhist. Yeah.
I like to help each other. For special Ajahn Mahadam, he is a good friend. Yeah, and we say last year he invite me for to join Lao New Year, and he would like me make Lao art, carving Lao art.
Yeah.
We created by foam. Yeah, there is Lao style, Lao art. It's so beautiful.
Yeah. But then Visachanan never come because yes, sometimes we have the schedule the same day. Yeah. And today we have the topic five precept is a very basic of Buddhist practice for Buddhist practice. Five precept. Do you think is five precept is a hard, difficult, or easy to practice?
I think it's very easy to practice.
Yes.
Yeah. But very hard to take acts about that, to really to practice. but all people know these 5 precepts. No, but they can follow some part of that of precept. Like the first one. What is that? First,
Yeah. อาจารย์มหาอาจารย์วิสัชนา can read.
mhm.
The 5 precepts. Number 1 is I undertake the precept to refrain from destroying living beings, prohibits killing, hunting and torturing. And second one, I undertake the precept to refrain from taking that which is not giving. Steering actions, supporting steering. And 3, I undertake the precept to refrain from sexual misconduct, infidelity in marriage life. And number 4, I undertake the precept to refrain from false speech, lies, false speech. And the last one, number 5, I undertake the precept to refrain from intoxicating
Intoxicating.
drinks and drugs which lead to carelessness.
Carelessness, no? Carelessness, yes.
Carelessness.
Okay, อาจารย์
Yeah.
thank you อาจารย์วิสัชนา thank you so much. I remember my first English. I read with อาจารย์มาดาม
Me too. I'm so excited that online stream with you all. This is my first time.
The first one is ปานาธิปาตาเวรมณี สิกขาปะทัง Yeah. Can you explain อาจารย์มาดาม
First one, no killing, no harm, right? No harm.
Yeah.
Harming, no harm, and all living.
Yeah.
The bugs, mosquito, ant, or animal and other people. Don't harm other people. Yeah, and don't hurt other people. Don't kill other people and animal or being. That's the first one. Yes.
But the people who know about this, but still killing animal. But I don't know. But before we are too. We was young when we was young with fishing, something like that. And
I think in USA is a very good place. Very good. I think is the ปฏิรูปประเทศเขาเรียกอะไรนะครับ This the country of
is เหมาะสม
ประเทศที่สมควรเหมาะสม perfect right perfect country for
moral precept.
Yes.
Precept.
Because you don't need to kill.
Yeah.
You don't need to kill or harm anymore, but you have still everything in the supermarket, right? Yeah. But in look back to our country, right? Every day we have to find the food from the nature, like in the forest, in the water, like we have to find the animal, like a fish or crab, right? Anything in the forest and in the water. Yeah.
You know, Ajahn Mahadam, when I was young, I one time my mother asked me to get to get some chicken for her, like her want to tom chicken you want
Boy.
she want
Boy.
to eat chicken soup but she just running chicken running I ran to catch chicken for her and after that she asked me to to kill the chicken for her one time.
You know, in United States, some place, some village, or some town, we have seen deer walking around the home.
Oh,
Yeah, we see a lot.
yeah.
Some country is a lot of hunter to killing them. So over here is very good place because there are a lot of people, American people, or a lot of people to living in United States, and they are so friendly to animal, to each other. Yeah. So we have seen a lot of animal.
Yes. That's good. But we when we know about this precept, the first one is no killing, no harm other or animal. That is very good to helpful for your healthy, right?
The rule, yes, the
From
rule protect.
yeah,
The rule protect the your life, your body.
healthy.
Yeah.
It's very strong and you get on it. You know, now I very be careful about this, about the animal. Even even the ant in the sink. When I saw the ant in the sink, I cannot wash my hand.
Oh.
When I get in the bathroom, I saw the ant walk around the sink. I cannot wash my hand over there. Yeah.
Because every life love them life. You know, same me and you and Agent Kami on who is watching our on live stream. Everyone love life. So that's why the Buddha taught us do not killing each other. Human, a lot of animal. So that's why no killing. That is very important. That is the first law in Buddhism. Yeah.
Yes.
And if we know well, so there are non-violence. Yeah. There are compassion. It's very good teaching. Yeah. Good. Protect us. Do not to do bad good to each other.
Okay, Venerable Mahadam, do you have some story about this?
No, but I have the some question. So many people they like a vegan people or vegetarian people. They ask, but when the Buddha taught the 5 precepts, but why Theravada Buddhist monk still eat meat? They ask like that.
How?
But why The Buddhist
Uh,
monk still eat
uh,
meat.
how do you explain this?
That's mean they say that's mean you support the killing animal, right?
Yeah.
But for Buddha teaching, Buddha taught us is we eat meat because it's just food, not only meat. We can eat everything the people offer to us because the monk life is easy life. Don't don't shoot the I want this, I don't want this because your life, your food depend on other people, right?
Yes.
Every the lay people offer to you, you have to eat. Don't eat for fun. Don't eat for for play, but you just live for life, right? Live for stay alive, right?
Yeah.
And when you eat meat,
Mm.
you have three rule
Mm.
to eat meat. The first one, you don't see, you didn't see that meat. The for example,
Who kill?
you eat the chicken, right? Chicken.
Yeah.
You don't see you didn't see the people killing that chicken.
Can
Yeah.
can I can I tell something?
Yes.
When I was young monks,
Mm.
I came to my home. Uh, when I stay uh, in front of the house, like in the second floor,
Mm.
but I heard some chicken, some chicken sound when someone uh, run to run to catch chicken.
Mhm.
I heard that, but I don't know. I stay with my friend, like know with around
Mhm.
15 years old. That time I don't know what happened, right?
Mhm.
But after 1 hour,
Mm.
and they offer some food to me,
Mm.
just only chicken and sticky rice
And
and
you
uh, spicy
you
short. But I can eat only spicy short, but
Mhm.
I have to to eat chicken soup too.
Mhm.
That time I think, oh, uh, when I came home,
Mhm.
maybe all of the chicken maybe ยังก็ดานะเราจะได้ก็
Bad word.
Say that word.
maybe all of the chicken look at the monk come the temple come home every time maybe uh,
When
a family lot one
oh
one
yeah
for
yeah
monks and maybe they uh, they say something
and they hate the monk, right?
they hear the
Come.
monk come home that I thought my family uh, I don't want to go home at the run time. I want to
Mhm.
go home in the afternoon.
I don't know. Yeah.
Yeah, afternoon only.
Yeah.
Uh,
That's
they,
that is
they
no more right? No more life in Laos.
yeah they don't know, but they want to offer very good food
Mhm.
uh to their son come home. Long time to come home, right? Uh. drama chicken,
Yeah.
chicken drama.
Yeah.
And Ajahn Hadam, I first time I kill chicken for my mother. I
Mhm.
taught you
Mm.
before.
Mm.
Taught you before, and
Mm.
that time nobody there. Just just me and my mom.
Mm.
They she asked my hand. Uh, she asked my hand to do something for her. And you know her she doesn't do that because she is woman. She
Mm.
tell me
Mm.
she is woman. She cannot kill the
Mm.
big animal. Just
Mm.
only fish or small.
Mm. Let like a mom let you did the bad karma, but eat together, right?
Delicious.
Yeah,
Oh, oh.
yeah.
I don't know.
That's the monk for the monk. The first one we didn't see, right? Didn't
Yeah.
see the someone killing that
For
animal
us.
for us. The second one is we didn't hear, like Ajahn Mahakamani
I hear.
sit on the second floor, but you hear the sound of chicken, like right. When
Yeah.
you hear like that is the next day they like the in the lunchtime they bring the chicken come to you can think oh that's that's chicken sound, you cannot eat that.
Yeah.
And the last one is you didn't know about that, you didn't realize that, like for example when you come to the family, there's poor family, they have only one chicken, for example, they have only one chicken, but when you come to their house in lunchtime, but you can see the chicken soup, right? But before you go over there, you saw the chicken, but after that you cannot see the
The
chicken. That
chicken.
means you can know by yourself is that chicken become a soup. you can you cannot eat that. But if you eat that, is that mean you are be part of the bad karma. Yeah,
Yes.
that's the monk. We can not eat the meat without no seeing, no hearing, and no knowing.
Yeah.
And the ten meat, right? 10 meat, and then 10 meat.
Okay, let me expand and support a little bit. Yeah, so a lot of people confuse why Buddhism teaching about do not killing, but Buddhism in Theravada still eating about meat. So Buddha said that that is very important law, and we call that Vinaya. We cannot eat 10, 10 specific type of meat. There are 10. The first one that is a human. If we eat a lot of human, so this was so bad word. Yeah. So the mom eat his children. That is really bad. See, so that is really important. Same as we don't eat human too. Yeah, and two, we don't eat elephant.
Elephant meat, right?
Yeah, elephant and horse. 3.
Horse 3.
Number 4, dog.
Dog.
You cannot eat aloka. You can eat bolong.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, every dog.
Mhm.
Yeah, we cannot eat. And number 5 is snake.
Snake.
Yeah, every snake also. Yeah. And number 6, lion.
Lion.
Yes, and number 7, tiger. Number 8 is leopard.
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 And number 9 is bear.
Bear.
Bear. Big bear.
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 Bear. Bear.
Do you know bear?
I
To
know.
me, you know.
Yeah.
bear, no beer. Okay, which is basically similar for us.
Yeah.
Okay, and the last one is number 10. Hyena.
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 The
Like a
dog.
forest dog, right?
Hyena.
Forest dog, หมาป่า
Oh, okay.
Mhm.
There is those 10 we cannot eat.
Mm.
That is the law
Mm.
in Buddhism.
How about giraffe?
Yeah, same your something like that. Same you said that last word
Yeah.
from Buddha said that.
Mm.
Yeah, if we cannot say that please buy please killing giraffe for us, and then we cannot eat
Yes,
giraffe.
yes.
And somebody call us, I will buy, I will kill elephant or something
drink
cat for us. So we cannot do.
Mm.
There is the law, so we have to follow.
Mhm.
Important. So, so life of Buddhist monk, so easy life, not difficult. I say that it's in middle, not difficult, almost all. It's not easy.
Yes.
So we follow a lot of Vinaya and Dhamma. We follow that and we practice that.
That's why when we eat food, we eat for practice, right? We eat for practice. Like อาจารย์วิสัชนา say, we eat like a mom eat her child meat, because, for example, when the mom walk across the desert, right? Long desert, but she didn't have food, but she her son is die, but he have to eat her son with tear, because he want to across the desert. That is like a feel like this when you eat every time when you eat meat. You feel like okay, I eat this because I want to eat, because of I for living, not for fun, not for praying, right? Yeah, this is the first one for the five, one of the first 5 precept, right? No killing.
And another one for tomorrow.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's sustain. Yes.
Okay, second one. Okay, อาจารย์มหาดำ
Second one is what is second one? Second one is steal, no stealing, right? No stealing. I undertake the precept from refrain from taking that which is no given. Something someone not giving to you, you don't take it. And no stealing, no action supporting stealing. Yeah, you cannot be spy for someone to steal something. Like you spy someone, like you spy to the police, right? And supporting the killing and supporting the stealing. No, you cannot do like that. And scammer. Yeah, you can use that. You break the rule for the second rule for 5 precept.
And please tell every scammer, don't call us. A lot of scammer call us. Yeah, please don't call us. So the second law, somebody politics corruption is really bad. Yeah, or for example, employee took money from company. Yeah, that is really bad. So this law is protect us, protect us. Do not bad thing to each other, to your company, to your boss, to your country. No corruption.
Yes.
This second one of Buddhist rule is very very important too. When you have your thought ไทยจิตป่ะไทยจิต yeah
you are stealing thought.
you are stealing thought even something small when you think about your would like to get but you don't ask or the owner you give you cash you bring to your is the steering, right?
Somebody said that so a scammer call to Buddhist monk.
Everyone. Scammer call to everyone, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And this precept for protect our property, right? The first precept protect our life and other life. But for second one is protect our property. Everyone have, right?
Yeah.
And
next one.
Third one is no sexual misconduct, right? Only one wife, one husband, right? No cheating on other, right? This is for protect the
family.
Protect family and protect เกียรติศักดิ์ศรี
protect family and relationship.
Reputation, right? Protect reputation of the family. Relationship. Protect relationship. Yeah. Be one heart.
Yeah. But sometimes it's very hard to teach about it.
Yes.
Yeah. The first one is no lying.
No lying.
Yeah, no lying.
No lying, no gossip, right? No lying, no gossip, no say bad word.
Yeah.
And no say the not important word, not necessary word.
And not
right?
true.
Not true
word. Like Ajahn Mahakamani tell me like this, but I don't tell. Ajahn Mahakamani tell me like this, but not true. I don't tell that, but you say like that, but not good.
Sometimes do you use the other one word to change that word to change to other meaning, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Like Mahakamani say, okay, do like this, but when you heard from Ajahn Mahakamani and you tell the other people is Ajahn Mahakamani tell us to do like this, but Ajahn Mahakamani didn't say that, right?
I only say one word, but they explain a lot. And the meaning is changed.
Yeah.
You know, someone tell the people that when I came just only 1 minute. I sit and they call some people, hurry, Ajahn come almost 30 minutes already. Hurry.
Mm.
I just came only 1 minute.
Mm.
They say like they call people hurry to come.
Mm.
Don't be อาจารย์ to wait too long.
Mm.
I don't say anything. I can wait, but
Mm.
don't be rush to people. Hurry, and sometimes accident
Mm.
happen,
Mhm.
right? When they very hurry to
Mhm.
go to the car something, maybe fall down the stair. Boom.
Mm.
Yeah. And sometimes very hurry to driving.
Mm.
I say many times. I thought many times to don't lie. You think about good, but something very rush to order, very hurry to order uh, to go fat, right?
Mm.
Not good. You just tell true.
Mhm.
Yeah, be careful your word, and you use my name too. Yeah, be careful.
Mhm.
Yeah คล้ายๆกับ
You
ว่า
know, yes.
ค
Mhm.
ล้ายๆกับว่าทำลายคนอื่นโดยบ่ได้ตั้งใจ
Yeah.
อืม
เจตนา
Mhm.
Okay, last one.
You know, no, that's for the first one is I think is very easy to break the rule
Oh, yes.
because when you don't have when you don't have patience, right? You can say bad word to other one easily.
Yeah.
Many people, even Lao people, American people, when you come to the temple, you come with good intention.
Good
You
intention.
want to make the good karma, right? But
Yes.
you come to make the good karma in the temple. But sometimes when you have the small problem, but you don't have the patience and you say bad word to other one, it easily
Yeah.
to hurt someone by your word. That is not good. Not good. Yeah. Be careful. When you come to the temple, that means you want to come to practice yourself. You come to practice yourself. Your action. Be careful. Be mindful with your action. Be mindful with your speech. Be mindful with your thought. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, another one. If you want to tell the true thing, but you shoot the good true to tell the people, right? Not tell people all of the true. Yeah, something, maybe some true is hurt other people. like someone talk about another one very bad to another one, but you bring this talking to another one who talking to, right? It's very may the true thing maybe make them hurt. Understand? like
Something.
good
yeah, likeอาจารย์วิสัชนา talk about me in face
We have talked.
in face
you are so handsome
of อาจารย์มหาดำ
Mm.
yeah อาจารย์คำนี้ something like that. And อาจารย์tell me the true thing อาจารย์วิสัชนา tell you but something true don't share. Okay.
Yeah.
Something true is don't share. Yeah. Yes.
That is example only, right?
Yeah. I heard many people say that.
Uh,
Mm. But it's not proposed to who to hear that. Like make them make them fail, make them hurt, and they cannot to continue to doing something. Yeah. When for example, when the some student tell you about your teacher, talk about you bad thing. Do you want to see the teacher next day? Maybe you heard teacher, right? Mahadam. Yeah. You don't want to see your teacher face. Yeah.
Yeah, just be mindful before your 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 speak, right? Your speak. Sometime the truth, but not necessary,
Yeah.
not benefit.
Mhm.
You didn't say. Some
Yeah.
people say, "Oh, why I have to say the truth? I say the truth." But
Yeah.
sometimes it's the truth is the bring the problem.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Very many problem with that too. But if you don't say, nothing happen. Right?
Yes.
Yeah. Nothing happen.
Yeah.
Just use your mindful and wisdom to
But
say
if
that.
you like you want to say the truth, even it's hurt other people, but you have to show them with your loving kindness.
Oh, yeah.
Your mind is you have to say with your loving kindness mind.
Yes.
Yeah, don't say with angry. If you say with angry, is nobody listen to you.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, Ajahn Mahadam, when we talk about it, the truth, sometimes cannot say. I heard some story. Can you lau ở trên này lau?
Telling.
Huh?
Can you tell?
Can you
telling
telling about the? Can you tell about the Nokarian with monk? Can you tell about Korean with monk?
Oh, yeah.
Mhm.
The one they have one family, right?
Yeah.
One family. They very respect to the monk, to the monks. What they have one monks for their family. They have one, but that family they have the jewelry, right? They have the jewelry
They do
jewelry. They do jewelry for
work.
sale.
Yeah.
Yeah, but they one day the the monks come to their family is every day to they offer food for to the monks
Yeah.
every morning. Yeah.
Mhm.
And one day the monks come to eat like a normal day.
Normally.
But that day the other people bring the jewelry like a diamond, right? Diamond, like a
Red
diamond, red
lemon.
diamond.
Yeah.
Yeah, give to him to make the jewelry. But that time he have the he cook the meat, and he have the bus on his hand, and they kept he grabbed the diamond.
Lemon.
He kept the jewelry and
Yeah.
put beside the bird cage.
Oh,
bird cage.
Yeah.
Beside the bird.
Bird.
Yeah.
All the
That
bird
bird.
walk around.
Yeah, the bird come and the bird thought that is the meat. The
Yeah.
bird just swollen. That's
Mm. It's
heavily.
very good.
Yeah.
It's
But the
very
only monk see the that
see
bird
the bird eat.
eat swollen
Yeah.
the
Very quickly. Very
yeah,
quickly.
very quickly.
Yeah.
But that family is the คนเจรนา
Okay. Can
the husband
husband. Yeah.
the husband in that family is แล้วก็ he very angry because he thought is we have the 3 people here he
Oh.
and his wife and the monks only 3 people but why the jewelry
Who
when
take
people
jewelry?
yeah take the jewelry is his wife is didn't take the jewelry he know right but
Yes. Yeah.
only monk he know is only monk take he asked the Ante did you take the jewelry here the he said no but he asked it, did you saw someone take it
No.
he saw but no he saw but he cannot say the truth because when he say the truth is the owner gonna kill the bird
He don't
and
say.
take out. Yeah,
He don't say anything.
he doesn't say anything. Just stay quiet,
Oh.
stay quiet. But uh, the houseman is very angry. He thought is the monk
The man.
take my jewelry, and he used the lie เสียกนะ
Oh.
เสียก the lie and tie the head of the monk
Yeah. Thai head now.
and put the wood and
Oh wow! It's very tight.
very tight because he want the monk say the truth. The monk is very suffer
Yeah.
very suffer and
Mhm.
and he had the when it's very tight is he have his bus come up
The
his
monks and bath
yeah.
out.
his mask breathing his bus breathing and the bird when the bird smell the bus the birds come to drink
Eat.
the bus
To drink the
and that man is very angry he kicked the bird is the bird die
one time, just one time.
one time yeah the bird die
And the-
when the bird die the monk say that bird is take the took the jewelry
Oh.
yeah and he feel very sorry about that and he asked for forgiveness but it's too late the monk almost died
The monk say,
the monk said didn't anger with him it just forgive him and leave but that monk never come to that house
again.
and he practiced to walk arm round in he didn't eat the
The meat.
he didn't eat the food in the lay people again forever
Where he eat. The monk.
he just correct with the arm round and eat in the forest
Oh.
because he scared
Really?
yeah no he know is very is not safe for the monk life when he stay in the that's why the people say okay stay away from the house of lay people
Whenever someone angry to the man house. The bad house. That is not bad house, but the man is just protect his property, like he very scared. The jewelry is very expensive, lot jewelry. When he lost, maybe he must to give the house to the owner of the diamonds.
Yes.
Yeah, he protect.
That's jewelry from the general family,
But
from general wife.
but if he don't know who take the diamond, how he found the diamond?
He just he asked with
He
he
never
asked for yeah he asked the monk.
Yeah, he asked the monk, but he don't hurt his wife. He just hurt his monk.
Yes, his wife is a very kind. He say is that Pante is didn't he eat the food in our family is long time, many years. We didn't see his make mistake,
Yeah,
but
but
don't do it. She try to stop
to stop.
her husband, but her husband didn't listen. He
Wow.
just need the jewelry.
Why that happened? Because her husband is very when he lost something expensive, he get angry, right?
Yes.
He get angry and try to find the diamond with the monks. But the monk cannot say why. Maybe the monk say only he don't take it. He don't take it. I'm not take it. But he ask again, who take it? But the monk say, I'm not take it. That's why he angry.
Yeah.
Yeah. What is the monk? What did the monk say after that, Ajahn? The monk say after that, this is the karma or the vata, not for you, not for me, but the vata. What that mean?
What that mean? The is karma of the circle life,
Circle, right?
circle of life. Yeah.
Yeah. That this like the karma to hurt the monks, right?
Yes, that mean the monks didn't blame anyone. They didn't blame himself and they didn't blame that man. But that is just karma.
That's
Just karma. Yes.
karma, own karma,
Karma just flow of the karma.
the part of right, right?
Yes.
Wow. It's
That is such another lesson.
when I heard this story, I'm very sad about that. Oh wow, what happened? But I am very proud of the monks. He said the truth. You take it. Are you take it? Do you take it? No, I'm not take it. Who take it? He just say I'm not take it.
Yeah.
But he don't say I don't know. He don't say I don't know. He
But
just
because he know, right?
he know, but he cannot say that. What happened on you, Ajahn Visassana?
Somebody said that.
You stunned?
Nalabo.
Yes,
Okay.
much.
This the first one and a last one. The last one, the rule of the 5 precepts. The last one is Ajahn Visassana. Can you explain?
The last one?
Mhm.
Yeah, there is a big problem
Mhm.
because about alcohol.
Mhm.
And I undertake the research to refrain from intoxicating
Intoxicating
drinks and
drug.
drugs which lead to carelessness.
Careless.
Yeah, I
Carelessness.
thought that is the problem.
Carelessness.
When you go to the bar, you drink a lot of alcohol, you dancing,
Mhm.
and you lost control your body, your mind. You see, so hit each other, you kick someone. So there is problem.
Mhm.
Oh.
Or when you're driving back home, that is very dangerous.
Yes.
Yeah,
Oh.
to each other also.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you have to be careful every time, everywhere.
Mhm.
When you drink, this it make you and each other too dangerous.
Okay.
Yeah. So there is has a problem about your body too when you drink a lot. Yeah, you
Okay.
should you're healthy.
I have
Please.
a question. You said when when someone go to the bar, right? If someone take the case of the alcohol to the drink outside of home, it's okay or not?
No, that's not okay
No,
for every time you drink.
every time,
Because
everywhere.
yes, everywhere. Because when you break the rule, the last rule is taking alcohol. That means you are carelessness. That means you don't cannot protect yourself because you don't have mindful. Maybe you can break the first one, second one, third one, and fourth one, right?
Oh, yes, yeah.
You can break the rule or the precept
Yeah.
when you uh, uh, because when you're drunk, you never know you're drunk. No, I'm not drunk. Yeah, because everyone doesn't know. Yeah.
I remember I remember my dad
Yeah.
when he rang, he have many story to tell people to very kind people. When he rang, he is very kind people. He not hurt. He not hurt. And when he when he get even he get some brass out, but he not hurt until he uh, clear from the dark. Yeah. After that, he feeling like, oh, what happened on my hand? That is not good too, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
But
Not,
for the alcohol for make the herb, right? Herb to make the medicine is okay, but
oh,
don't drink too much.
oh.
Don't drink too much.
Okay, okay. I I don't ask more, and I think this finished for today. Okay, everyone.
I have a little bit story to tell you.
Okay.
When I live in, there is short story. When I live in the North Thailand, I meet one person. He drank alcohol a lot every day. So one day he came to me and I asking him, "What happened about your life? Why you drink alcohol a lot?" So he said that he broken heart, he lost his job,
Oh.
and then he promised with me. They said that I will not drink alcohol forever or his life. So that is I said I don't believe. I don't believe. And for a long time, for about a
Uh,
few years,
excuse me.
please.
that time when he talked to you, he still drunk or no?
Yeah, he lost control.
Oh, he lost control.
And so I don't believe
Ah.
his word. Yeah.
Mhm.
So I no see him for a long time, and then he come again. Oh, they change his life.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, that he did by his word that is promised with me.
Mm,
And after that, he became a good person. He a
mm,
good teacher.
Mm.
He got a lot of award from a university. So
wow.
that is really nice.
Mm.
Wow.
Yeah, so there is one word
Mm.
that promised with me, then change.
Mm.
Oh,
But
wow.
one word say 1,000 word or 10
Mm,
million word. But say with me that never change anything. That is not good. That is same thing, same past.
Mm.
mm,
If we think good, we
mm,
do good.
Mm.
That is really best thing
Mm.
we should to do.
Yes.
yeah.
Okay.
I still wonder what what is the change his life?
Hmm?
What what is make his life change?
Oh,
Do you know?
he promised with me, and then he cut off alcohol.
Mm.
Every alcohol about alcohol, and then he always
Mm.
come to the temple,
Mm.
not
Oh,
my temple,
mm.
to practice meditate,
Oh, wow.
yeah, and then
Oh,
focus
mm,
every moment,
Mhm.
every moment when driving, when walking, or
Mm.
speak to each other.
Mhm.
Yeah,
okay.
that is change him.
I know that. I know. I think he very very believe to you and respect you, and he promised you, and he bring himself to practice meditation at the temple, and a lot of thing good thing come to his life, and then he changed, right? Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is called it's called that is called for him like change. Mm-hmm.
The last one, no alcohol. There is a protect mind and body too, because if we still mindfulness,
Mhm.
so if you lost your mindfulness,
Mm-hmm.
you to kill each other,
Mm.
human, animal,
Mhm.
and you will do um, a second one steal,
Mhm.
Mm.
yeah, or corruption,
Mm.
because you don't have mindfulness
Mm.
or something like that.
Oh,
And if you lost control, maybe you sleep to each other for one night stand. That is big problem for your family, for your girlfriend or boyfriend or your lover.
Mm.
Yeah. So courtesy,
Mm.
courtesy.
Crazy lying.
Oh,
Lying.
when you drink alcohol a lot, yeah, talk too much.
Yeah, talk so much.
yeah,
Oh,
lying thing.
long story.
Yeah.
So long history.
Mhm.
Yeah. So speak bad word to each other.
Mhm.
Yeah, that is not good. Yeah.
Yeah.
So be careful when you drink alcohol. If you don't drink alcohol, it's the best thing.
Mm. Um, can you explain, Ajahn Mahadam, this one for whole of the uh, 5 pieces?
Yes, the 5 precept is
Mhm.
protect our action and our speech. Remember,
Mm.
not protect our mind, but when we want to protect our mind, we have to practice mindfulness, right? We call pavana. That the precept is that second one of the like a three thing to make merit, right? The Dhana is the be kind, generosity, right? The second one is Sila or precept, is protect your action and your speech. And Pavana is that means you practice mindfulness to develop your mind.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's very, very good tonight. Very,
Very good.
very, very good Dhamma talk tonight.
And someone says, how about then Visassana is how do you feel first live stream?
I'm so excited to talk with Ajahn Kamani. He is so happy bang, and Ajahn Mahadam is on mindfulness. He before we live stream, we sharing how to talk English really well. He said to me, his English is really bad, but he speak really well when he stay in the hotel. Oh, sorry, in the hospital, right?
Yeah.
He talk to doctor, to nurse. Yeah, so I learned from him too.
Yeah.
Yes.
Learn to share. I'm so happy to sharing about Dhamma to each other watching us, and I hopefully our talk, yeah, so make you all so happy with us.
Yes.
Thank you for watching.
Yes.
And I think Ajahn Mahadam is happy to have new helper. Party helper very close to my age. Only one day.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay.
Somebody we have to take turn, right?
Take care.
You turn, I turn.
You, Ajahn Visassana, I offer you from. I offer you to Ajahn Mahadam, and I ask from Ajahn Thongwan. You must to make Ajahn Mahadam happy every day. Okay. Yeah.
I learned from him how to make a happy and mindfulness. Yeah, there's thank you for sharing me.
Before we leave, I think we have time a little bit 5 minutes for meditate.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Just 5 minutes. If over 5 minutes, it's okay.
I will.
Just focus your mind.
Yeah. Okay. Can you,
Okay.
Ajahn Visassana, can you lead the two?
Okay, I will explain a little bit how to practice meditation. That is very important. We have to learn together. So, right here, right now, you're watching us, and please close your eyes and focus your mind. When you listening some voice, outdoor or indoor, just focus. That's why there is voice only. Some voice good voice, some voice bad. That is just why. Don't take voice into your heart. And very important, basic for to practice. Just focus when you breathe in, you know that. When you breathe out, you know that. Or every moment that you move, that you're speaking, that is very, you have to practice. When you practice Lord, you will know by yourself about your mind, why we have to suffering, why we was born, Why different life? That is the way of life. So one way to nirvana or nibbana, only bhavana, only meditation ways. So we came here, we join together, we learn together about how to practice, meditate. The first thing we learn or listening from us to sharing about Dhamma, you know how to do, how to practice meditate. And second one, let's do practice meditation together. And hopefully you will see peacefully in your mind. No one give peace to you, but you have to practice by yourself. For example, when you're hungry, you should eat lunch or breakfast or dinner by yourself. No one eat them for you. You should eat by yourself, and then you're full by yourself. Same when you got a suffering from your company, from anywhere, from your body, you're painful, you're old, you're difficult for to walking. That is difficult for to live. But you should don't forget meditate. Yeah. So this time I let you all to be quiet. Just focus mind meditation together. Let's do it.
So I would like to thank Chan Mahadam to invite me to be our host this in this live stream, and I would like to thank Ajahn Visachana to joining us live stream, and would like to wishing to all of you to listening to Dhamma talk tonight. May you be well, be healthy, be happy, and be peaceful, everyone. สัพพิติโยวิวัจจันตุสัพพะโรโควินาศตุมาเตภวัตวันตารายโยสุขิติกายุโกภวะพิวัฒนสีริสนิจจังวุฒาปจายโน จตารโอธรรมาวัฏันติอายุวันโนสุขังพลัง
Sadhu.
Have a good night everyone and have a good night
Thank
Venerable
Good
you
night.
for watching.
Good night.